So good morning on the 5th of December. More shed stuff. Ply. Some cut and ply today. I'm done. This is going to be a video behind the other videos coming out soon, but it should be out by now. Right, so this is 5.5 ply. This is to go into the ceiling. Show you quickly. Onto the ceiling. I've had a bit of trouble cutting this, purely because it's dark at night and I got out of time. But hey, let's crack on. Right, so the 2 sheets of ply are up. So they're, was it 5.5? I'm not going to hang anything very strong, but now I've got to fill all these holes in. I've damaged it a bit there. Holes. All the holes are just screw marks where the screws are. But yeah, so I've got some filler. What have I done with that? Smells pretty strong. Here are some Ron Seal wood filler. Not sponsored, but yeah, it's my job for the day. As it's New Year's Day and there's nothing else to do. So yep, crack on. Probably didn't see in the video, but I had a bit of problem. I couldn't find a hammer. Hammer is... Don't know where my hammer is. So... I've got the board up as best I can. Oh. One board. So these cost me, for 2 sheets of 12 mil, cost me £56. Very expensive. Right, I'm going to draw the line. Don't know where the... Three choices. Stick it over everyone. Not the lost one. Actually got that. I can't. This is a long job. That's careful, really. Yeah. I've done there a little bit because I've set it enough. I don't like that line. I'll give it more screws in that line, I agree. Not all screws in it, not all screws. Oh, there's another by this. Monday, Tuesday, no, only because I've done this today. So it's the 4th of February, 2015 dentist, is it? So I don't know. Finish that. Here we go. Yeah, I don't really need. I could put screws all the way along there. Might do, but it's just a guessing game. But I haven't read it. I'll do okay, like that. All I'm going to do is board the heater. Anyway. Right, quite a bit. Hand it again. One's to see Louise and Dad. Yeah, so good for it. So, I might have a row of screws along there. I'll just get them out. So I measured where the joists are on this side. So I can. And yes, there's a gap. But I'm going to put some trim, some 41 trim around, not this stuff. I'm going to trim it. I don't know if I can find epoxy to my hammer. But yeah, there's one sheet. One's just going in now. There's another sheet. Oh, look, just about to rain. So, I'm going to pack up and see you next one. Right, so we are raw. This is raw. Another sheet applied. I go here. Pencil. I've got my pencil somewhere. Oh, I did have it. Right, let's see if I'm any good at actually cutting. But look at that. Spot on. So good morning on the 5th of March. By now you would have realised there's a chick in the shed. Well, I'll pull apart another video, but today we're cutting some more ply. So I bought some more ply, 2 more sheets to go in the shed. This sheet's cost me 56 quid and 21 pence for 2 sheets of 12mm poplar ply, as we call it over here. There is a GoFundMe in the description, or on my channel if you'd like to donate some money. I'm not asking for a lot, but if you can't afford it, don't worry. I know times are hard for everyone, but let's just crack on. So I've got a new blade in me saw. Finally, the other one was, yeah, I had it. But yeah, so I'm going to do some more footage of me cutting a sheet. Not that much. Protection. Let's go. Right, let's try again. I think I had the blade on the wrong way around. That's better, that's actually the right way. I put the blade the wrong way around. Numpty. This is going to be fun. See now, this is a bit. Now I've got to take some more off. Yeah, I think I got another inch off, and then it should go under. Oh. Right, I won't show you that because I haven't got a lot of memory left. Pick two, cut that inch off. Oh wait. Oh. Nearly. No. Right. So it is up. Now the job is to screw it. I'll make sure it is flush that side. One. I'll put it on a time lapse, okay? so there's the other 2 sheets done. I had to cut that out. I need to cut that one out. That one didn't go in very good because, as you see, I left like an inch gap. Well, not quite an inch, but yeah, I left to. I don't know what happened there. I'm not very good at measuring, but you're not gonna. I'm gonna get some expanding foam, possibly, and just fill it up with that. Same with that. Put some filler or something, but I am going to trim it out anyway. So I'm going to get some trim, something like this stuff here. So you're not going to see. That's not very good, but yeah, you're not going to see a lot of it anyway. But I will fill it with some foam probably. But yeah, need to cut down there. That's where the door is. So I need one, and there is a reason why I've done this before that. So next one definitely need to go in there, and then the back one can go on, and then after I've done this bit, that sheet can go on. So I need 1, 2, 3. Hold on, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more sheets. So that is a total of 112 quid. If I put don't forget, I'm going to put the link for my GoFundMe. Couple of quid. I'm not asking, I hate asking for money, but I'm not going to be able to do it until next month, April. I really don't want to do it then. Yes, I still need a cut. That was only a rough cut anyway. And I obviously did that because I want some light in here. Obviously I got a window in there to cut out, and then sand it down. You're not going to see any of this anyway. So it'll be like a window ledge and a window. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Links from my Facebook, same one, social media, GoFundMe, all in the bottom. Thank you very much. See you all soon. Bye bye.